Hi guys, so today we are starting your day off right with a classic breakfast recipe, fluffy pancakes. These pancakes are soft, fluffy and incredibly delicious. They are perfect for a lazy weekend brunch or a quick weekday breakfast. The best part, they are super easy to make even for the beginners. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step process of making these delicious pancakes from mixing the batter to flipping the pancakes. I'll make sure you have everything you need to recreate this perfect breakfast. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So let's get cooking and start your day off right with the stack of fluffy pancakes. So now let's begin. So first, to make the batter for the pancake, take a bowl, add 1 whole egg, add 1/4 cup sugar, a pinch of salt, half cup milk, 1½ tablespoon cooking oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Whisk it until everything is well combined. Then add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Then mix it all together until smooth batter. Make sure the consistency is something like this. Then rest the batter for 5 minutes. Then in a hot pan, add just a little bit of oil and spread it nicely. Then use a tissue paper to wipe the excess oil. And then simply use 1/4 cup batter and fry it until the top surface gets bubble-like texture. Make sure the top surface is something like this. Then simply flip it and cook it on the other side until golden brown. I will show you another pancake now. Simply pour the batter in the hot pan. Cook it until the bubbles are formed on the surface. Then simply flip it and cook it on the other side. If you are confident enough, then you can cook 2 or 3 pancakes at one time. Do the same to all the remaining pancake batter. So all the pancakes are ready now. Make sure you stack them together like this. Then add some butter on top and pour generous amount of honey on top. You can also use maple syrup if you like. And there you have it guys, a stack of fluffy pancakes ready to be enjoyed. You can also serve them with fresh berries or whipped cream. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.